After serving 22 years in prison, Saeed walked out a free man after a judge vacated his murder conviction in September of last year. Today, lawyers for the Lee family are arguing they want to redo the hearing, which means Saeed could be sent back to prison. 11 News reporter Kate Amara has the latest from Annapolis.
Lawyers for Young Lee, the brother of Hae Min Lee, argued today that state law entitled him to participate in the hearing and to challenge the prosecution's evidence. Adnan Syed's attorney insisted there is nothing to argue about because the case was vacated and this whole thing is moot.
We're grateful for all the support that we've received.
For the second time since his 2000 murder conviction was tossed by a city circuit court judge, Adnan Syed arrived at the high court in Annapolis surrounded by family and walked right in the front door as his attorney argued for his freedom once again.
We look forward to hearing the court's decision, and we're hoping that in the end, we'll have a chance to prove justice, not just for Hae's family, but for our family as well.
Young Lee, the brother of victim Hae Min Lee, also in attendance today as the Maryland Supreme Court heard oral arguments from both sides. The bottom line today for Adnan Syed's attorney, this whole thing is a moot point because the conviction was vacated, so there is no case for anyone to take issue with.
We look forward to the court's decisions, and we're hopeful that the justices will choose to leave Adnan where he is, where he belongs, with his family.
Young Lee's lawyers disagreed and said Lee's victims' rights were violated because he was notified of the hearing too late and attending the hearing over Zoom is inadequate. Plus, under state law, he was entitled to participate as a full-blown party in the matter and challenge the state's presentation of evidence. There needs to be an adversarial check in order to provide a meaningful review, Lee's attorney told the panel, and there was a complete absence of that here.
We simply want transparency and openness in the system and an ability to challenge evidence if it is challengeable. That hasn't happened yet. And so with respect to Hae, we're living through her to make this possible for victims going forward.
Lee's attorneys called the move to vacate the conviction an abuse of discretion. Several of the justices noted today that whole argument is a line of argument that's likely better suited for the State House just down the road than the state's highest court. An opinion from this court on this matter is due next August. In Annapolis, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.